Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make iPhone vibrate while ringing on iPhone 17 here. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 6.0. After the checking, go back to settings. Now here scroll down. You will see second option is sound and haptics. So click on sound and haptics. Now here click on haptics. Now here you will see never play. So if you want to make iPhone vibrate while ringing, so click on always play. So after the process, go back to home screen. Now here, so that's how you can make iPhone vibrate while ringing in iPhone 17 here. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.